Understanding Excel functions. To build powerful and useful formulas, you often need to include one or more Excel functions as operands. You need to understand the advantages of using functions, you need to know the basic structure of every function, and you need to review Excel's function types. Functions. A function is a predefined formula that performs a specific task. For example, the sum function calculates the total of a list of numbers, and the PMT, payment, function calculates a loan or mortgage payment. You can use functions on their own, preceded by the equal sign, or as part of a larger formula. Advantages. Functions are designed to take you beyond the basic arithmetic and comparison formulas by offering two main advantages. First, functions make simple but cumbersome formulas easier to use. For example, calculating a loan payment requires a complex formula, but Excel's PMT function makes this easy. Second, functions enable you to include complex mathematical expressions in your worksheets that otherwise would be difficult or impossible to construct using simple arithmetic operators. Structure. Every worksheet function has the same basic structure: name, argument 1, argument 2. The name part identifies the function. In worksheet formulas and custom pivot table formulas, the function name always appears in uppercase letters: PMT, sum, average, and so on. The items that appear within the parentheses are the function's arguments. The arguments are the inputs that functions use to perform calculations. Statistical functions. The following table lists some common statistical functions. Average returns the average of the arguments. Count counts the numbers in the argument list. Maximum returns the maximum value of the arguments. Median returns the median value of the arguments. Minimum returns the minimum value of the arguments. Mode returns the most common value of the arguments. STDEV returns the standard deviation based on a sample. STDEVP returns the standard deviation based on an entire population. Financial functions. Most of Excel's financial functions use the following arguments: rate, the fixed rate of interest over the term of the loan or investment; NPER, the number of payments or deposit periods over the term of the loan or investment; PMT, the periodic payment or deposit; PV, the present value of the loan, the principal or the initial deposit in an investment; FV, the future value of the loan or investment; type, the type of payment or deposit; 0, the default for end of period payments or deposits; 1 for beginning of period payments or deposits. The following table lists some common financial functions. FV returns the future value of an investment or loan. IPMT returns the interest payment for a specified period of a loan. NPER returns the number of periods for an investment or loan. PMT returns the periodic payment for a loan or investment. PPMT returns the principal payment for a specified period of a loan. PV returns the present value of an investment. Rate returns the periodic interest rate for a loan or investment.